In today's video, we are going to learn what is Databricks is and what is the use of Databricks in a real time. So considers you have a one business applications. In a business applications, you provide the different services. Services is like the business service. You provide the customer service. You provide also in your business applications have a social media applications. These all applications have a data. That data is basically in gigabytes, or we can say terabytes, or we can say more than terabytes data, that we need to store that business of all the applications data into a single storage. Okay, we can't store these applications data into a structure format, because structure format in is nothing but the relationship manner in a table format, because data is so large. So instead of storing a data into a structure format, we store data into a unstructured format. Unstructured format is nothing but we can say store data into CSV or JSON file. So that unstructured data, that basically the for the unstructured data we use the technology that able to process the big data, that unstructured data, and generate some meaningful meaning data. Or meaning data is nothing but the we generate the insights from the unstructured data. The technology we use, that is nothing but the Apache Spark. Apache Spark we technology used to generate the some meaningful data. Or we can say Apache Spark is a open source technology basically used to process the big data and generate some insights from this. So Apache Spark is implemented on a Azure. Apache Spark is implemented on a Azure is nothing but the Databricks. Thank you.